Hey guys, today I'm going to explain how to install Metamask in your browser. You can install it in any browser. Now I'm going to explain how to install it in Mozilla Firefox. So I have opened Mozilla Firefox. Here you need to go to one website, metamask.io. You can directly type address metamask.io, or you can search in Google as well. Through Google also you can reach to this website, metamask.io. On this website you will get one button, get metamask. You need to click on this. So here on this metamask page you will get one more button, add to Firefox. Just click on this button. So it's showing one notification, add metamask. This extension will have permissions too. So it's just showing what kind of permissions this extension needs. So you just need to click on add button. First of all, you can also select allow extension to run in private window. So if you open any incognito window or private window, so this extension will work in that window also. So just click on add button, click OK, click on agree button. I agree to MetaMask term and conditions. So this is installed. Now you can just create a new wallet or you can import an existing wallet. If you are going to use first time, then just click on create a new wallet. You need to provide one new password. Same password you need to provide in second text box. Click on this checkbox and create new wallet. So on the second window, it's giving two options, remind me later and secure my wallet. This is related to phrase to secure your wallet. You should click on secure my wallet. Once you click here, it will show you one window like this. To see your phrases, you need to click on reveal secret recovery phrase. So once you click on this button, it will show you all the phrases. Just keep in mind you need to save this phrase somewhere, because whenever you are going to log in next time, you need to enter this phrase. So keep it noted down on notebook or in online applications like OneNote. Now it's asking to confirm the phrase we have taken from last window. So it's asking to enter third one. So it's asking to enter third phrase. So I'm going to enter stamp here, and the fourth one, eighth one. Once all are confirmed, click on confirm button. That's all, it's done. Now you are ready to use MetaMask. You can see your account here, and you can also click on this extensions button on the top right corner, and this is your extension. If you click here, it will open MetaMask here as well. Whenever next time you need MetaMask, you will just go to this extension button, click on MetaMask. Might be it will ask for password, just enter your password and you are ready to use. Here it's showing your account number, and on the left side you can see it's showing the address we have selected. So you can select any blockchain from here. For example, if you want to use USDT on Binance Smart Chain, you need to add this network. Click on approve button. Done. Now you have selected the Binance Smart Chain and it's showing addresses related to Binance Smart Chain. So this is how you need to install MetaMask, and you can select your network here. If you have any question, please keep me posted in comments box. I will try to answer that. Thank you.